I got it is coronavirus day 376. And today I want to talk about vaccine issues and some limitations, some arousing questions people have, but we're not getting these answers. These FAQs, frequently asked questions. So, anyways, today. 1 uh, 1,546 cases today. Okay, 465 is from Toronto. Cases are from Toronto. 329 from Peel Region, 161 from York Region, and 99 from Durham Region. So Durham Region is still in it's on the high cases list, and it's been like that for the past few weeks actually. All other regions are reported under 70. Oh, great. You know, if the other regions that have an average of under 70 cases, things are like getting worse. I remember when we had, I think last year, we had a average of other regions reported under 100 cases or 120. Not just, yeah, I think so. Yeah, it was around there. 9 deaths have been reported today. Coronavirus variant cases are unfortunately that 1359 UK variants plus 19. Or 47 South African variants where it's back to 47. It was at 48 and then 47 and then 48 yesterday and then 47. And 37 Brazilian variants, which is a +1. Not good news. So anyways, so vaccinations, this for currently for 75 plus bookings. With so many people being vaccinated at the same time, it's really, the number is really so of course you can go to www.ontario.ca/booked vaccine. If you want to do it by phone, you can call 1-888-999-6488. But here's the problem with people so more vaccination centers are being So Doug Ford has said Ontario was expecting to receive about 300,000 doses of the Moderna vaccine this week, but only Ontario received 90,000. So, of course, the Moderna Incorporated never explained why they're having a shortage of shipments on their vaccines, while the Pfizer BioNTech Incorporated, they explained that they were upgrading their facility in Belgium, and of course, so they're trying to mass produce these vaccines. So they gave a reason why. Moderna Incorporated didn't. And we don't like no and then we don't know when the next shipment of the AstraZeneca vaccine will come, and of course it's not the reliable vaccine, but it's being used from those 60 plus. So Doug Ford has also complained about like the lack of adequate vaccine supplies from the federal government, and if Trudeau ain't going to do anything about it, yeah, we're dead. So some reports came in say that Joe Biden said got had U.S. Send over some vaccines over here to Canada, but will that be enough? I don't think so. So since yesterday, like lots of people 80, 75 years and older started booking vaccines. And of course, the pharmacies in Toronto, Windsor-Essex Region, and Kingston, Frontenac, Lennox, and Addington region, they were like giving AstraZeneca shots to anyone 60 plus. But the pharmacy project, apparently now they're going to include Peel Region and York Region. If the province receives more doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine, but since more people have gone eligible for getting vaccines, of course we're having runouts. So there was a complaint from someone in Toronto who trying to book her parents who live in this person in Hamilton, Ontario. She tried to book her two parents vaccine to get vaccinated in Toronto, and they live in Toronto. And of course, Shoppers said, and Costco, it was full, and other pharmacies didn't answer their phones, but PharmaSave emailed this woman telling her that they didn't know how long the wait might be for the vaccination, and vaccines are on limited supply. So some people have to apparently had to go get booked vaccine appointments at a sports complex in Mississauga. So apparently some people had some issues with it was there was some lagging issues or time schedule and stuff, and the some people had it easy, some people didn't. However, it's still a disappointment that Moderna Incorporated never explained why we're having a shortage of like when we're supposed to get like a partial batch, but we're getting a tiny bit, around 30% of of the actual amount, and it's and as a reminder, the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine and the Moderna vaccine is the most double as compared to AstraZeneca is vaccine is the most stronger vaccine that is mostly effective against variant cases too, and which is good news. Johnson & Johnson single shot vaccine is also effective against variant cases. AstraZeneca variant vaccine is not the double shot vaccine is not effective against variant cases, especially the South African variants. And however, you still have some vaccine concerns when European countries like Denmark and some other surrounding countries they tried using the AstraZeneca vaccine, and then some patients end up having a blood clots in patients, and they'll but the vaccination process better speed up because we might be entering wave 3 of coronavirus soon, and yeah. Especially with the more UK variant cases increasing. And I'm looking at a photo right now of people lining up to get vaccinated, and wow, that's a lot of people. So coronavirus general rules. So don't forget to wear masks. Keep your masks on at all lineups, and keep 2 meters apart. No matter when you're getting shopping or going shopping, or dining or drinking or whatever. I don't care. It's the rules. And of course, personal care services that require you to take off your mask are still closed. Of course, and liquors is only sold and served from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and personal information required. Although some businesses are not have the exception not to do that, but I think that's a stupid idea because say someone has the coronavirus or maybe one of the variants, and then the local health unit in that region needs to find out. So that was a bad decision. You know. So hospitalizations. 868 people are hospitalized at the coronavirus. That's a plus 55. I swear it's just getting worse. 24 patients in ICU, plus 26. And 193 patients in of them using a ventilator, plus 7. Schools, okay. Cases at schools right now have been increased to 11,443. Even higher than yesterday's. 8,424 from students, 1,864 from staff. 1,155 is from unknown individuals. This is coming from 997 school. Yeah, you heard me. 997 schools. Or the 4,828. So that's almost 1,000 schools. And to make things even worse, 48 schools are closed. I don't even want to guess where they are, where they're from. Could be probably some from the newer reported cases. Long-term care homes deaths is now at it has not changed. 3,753 deaths for the last few days. We're back to 52 outbreaks on long-term care homes. So please, we're kind of in the dangerous part. We could be having wave 3 sooner or later. Follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations and college rules. Stay safe, folks. They really need to give out vaccines as sooner, and Moderna still needs to give us an explanation why.